Barrister? How did it go?
Chief, no said this.
Yeah. What did she tell you?
Chief, this is serious. Your daughter is hell-bent on marrying the young man.
Nonsense. Arrant nonsense. It can never happen.
If you ask me, would advise to look for a way around this. Send your daughter out of this country. Allow her stay there for 2 to 3 years. I believe it will change whatever mindset she has on that boy.
Barrister, have you forgotten she is a director in my company? What will happen to my company in her absence, considering the fact that I am no longer too active?
I understand your predicament, Chief. I do. But in the circumstance, what do you do?
Mercy. You see why they always talk about you? You know the right time to bring my food. If not that other cook, I want a very wicked person. By now, hunger go don't kill me.
Again, you were right.
I'm always right now. That's why I talk to you. Sabi cook well.
You and food. Foodie. I am not talking about food.
So what are you talking about?
I am talking about Chief's daughter. Yes. The reason she has been indoor is because of the electrician, Mr. Steve.
Hey, I talk him, but you don't believe me. Hey.
I believe you now. I believe you. I went to serve her food in her room. She said before me that she loves the electrician. That she's not going to eat that food until her father accepts it.
Nah, juju be that.
Better juju.
Nah, juju, oga electrician take her oga daughter. Hey, better juju na be that too.
Hey, you are right too. Where is he? Common electrician.
I wonder.
That Ella chose to kill herself because of him.
Yeah. Now what make I tell you say na juju? And you see, that juju, I don't find that juju since. Make I take hold you. It should be mine.
Oh.
You know.
You feel like say your craze don't they multiply? Yeah? You the craze oh. Yeah. Wait, juju. So like this your expired pink lips. You won't use honey.
But anyhow it be now, I go see your guy electrician. I go ask him where he go doing juju. Whether na Bini or Abiyokuta where he go do the juju. I go do am.
I come on for here. See that your time this your pink lips. Now you go take do. You don't see as you be. Your juju no fit. How you know what like before? Go inside.
Don't worry. You go see whether the juju no go catch you. Oh my God, scary cookie.
I have to do something fast before I lose my daughter. She is the only one I have.
Sir. 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 You've not taken your dinner and this is almost 11 p.m. sir.
Keep it, I don't need it.
Sir.
You heard me right. I said, keep it, I don't need it.
Okay, sir.
I've been looking for love. I finally find in love. I need no obstacles. This is the choice I've made. Oh, I've been searching for love. I found someone that gladdens my heart. Hey, I need no obstacle. or someone to tell me how to choose. Love is not measured by class. You just have to follow your heartbeat. Love is not measured by class. I have found the one I want. Oh,
Mercy! Mercy!
I am here, sir. Good morning.
Yes. I'm rushing to the office now. Help me do this. My daughter has not eaten for the past 4 days and I don't want anything to happen to her. Please, if you can convince her to eat, I will reward you handsomely. Please.
I will try my best, sir.
Have this for us.
Thank you, sir.
I'm good. Ella, my daughter, where are you going?
I'm leaving your house, Father. I'm going to a place where I can have my own peace of mind. A place where I can have peace.
You know, it is not possible. I am your father. You are not leaving me for anywhere. Ella, what has that boy done to you? What has he given you?
He did nothing to me, Father. Nothing. You caused this. You've done so much already. I don't have peace. Father, what do you want? Do you understand that I am an adult? I have my own life. I have my own wishes. I have what I want to do. You can't tell me to do what you want. It's how I feel.
Ella, you are not leaving anymore.
Watch me leave.
Ella, I am your father. I have the last say.
What kind of father? A father who has sworn not to let his child have peace of mind. Father, I have had it up to here. I am supposed to do what I want, not you forcing what you want on me. I am done. I want peace. Starting my own life.
I'll do as you said. Yes, come in. Good day. Have a seat. Now, young man, listen to me. I demand the truth. Absolute truth. And nothing but the truth. Now, tell me. What is the name of the juju? I mean the concussion you used on my daughter?
Sir, I used nothing on your daughter. I genuinely love her and she loves me in return. There is nothing like juju, sir. I did nothing like that.
And I ask you again, what is the color of that sham? The concussion you used on her?
Sir, I don't know what you're talking about. My hands are clean.
Listen, I mean, what is the name of the juju you are here telling me nonsense?
Sir, I swear, I used nothing on your daughter. I'm genuinely in love with her.
You think I'm a fool? Ever since you walked into the life of my daughter, she has never been the same.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, but trust me, I did nothing like that.
I see.
What we feel for each other is mutual.
You don't want to tell me the truth. Officers, you are here. Good. The young man is in my office. Please come right into my office. Please come right into my office.
Sir, please. It has not gotten to that. Don't do this to me, please. Please, sir, please, I'm begging you. Please, sir, my hands are clean. I did nothing.
You are an ingrate. You're just like a pig. I picked you right inside the gutter, cleaned you, gave your life a meaning, and all you have to pay me back is to frolic with my daughter. Oh, let me have your phone.
Yes, my phone, sir.
You spend the rest of your life in jail.
Sir!
You rot in jail.
I'm innocent, sir. Please, don't do this to me.
I've been looking for love. I finally find in love. I need no obstacles. This is the choice I've made. Oh, I've been searching for
So
love.
unfair.
I found someone
This
that
is-
gladdens my heart.
How are you, Ella?
I have been trying to reach Steve for a while now, but I can't get to him because his phones are switched off. Are you aware of that, Father?
You're asking me? How?
Who else should I ask? Who? I mean, we both know, you and I, the extent that you're willing to go to get this young man out of my life. So who should I ask if not you?
See, Ella, see. We've lived peacefully together all this while. And suddenly all these hula balls are someone you hardly know who he is.
I'm giving you till tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, to be precise. If I don't hear from him, I will leave your house and I'll go out there. I am willing to go to any extent just to make sure I find Steve. If I do not find him, I'm not coming back to this house. It doesn't matter if it will take me 10 days, I don't care, but I will not come back until I find him. So if you have a hand in this, you better get it fixed.
Ella, why all this? Why all this threat? I'm not sure such... I don't know what gave her the instinct that I know about Steve's phone switched off. Huh? I think I put this phone on silent. To remain on silent. As for that idiot Steve, he will remain in police cell until you untie my daughter. I don't know what charms you used. Nonsense. Steve. I didn't succeed in putting it in silent. So you silent it. So what? Please, I want you to set your eyes on my daughter. Do not hesitate to call me if you see her anywhere around the gate.
Yes, sir.
Again, serve her food in her room if she does not come downstairs to eat.
Okay, sir. Sir, I am sorry I didn't tell you last night. I need to go to the market and get some foodstuffs. Our meat has finished.
I'll transfer money to you when I get to the office.
Okay, sir. Bye-bye, sir.
Oga!
Come over here. On no account must you open the gate for my daughter. Do I make myself clear?
Very clear, sir, but...
No, but. Just tell her I went out with the gate keys. Do I made myself clear?
Very clear, sir.
Good. Open the gate for me.
I've been looking for love. I finally find in love. I need no obstacles. This is the choice I've made. Oh, I've been searching for.
It's ringing.
I found someone that gladdens my heart.
The phone has been on since I spoke to Dad.
No obstacles. Or someone to tell me who to choose. Love is not measured.
Could it be that my father has his phone?
Yes.
Because after I confronted him and threatened him that I was going to leave this house and only come back after I reach Steve, then the phone came on. Fast one. Wow. Come in.
Good morning. Your breakfast.
I'm not hungry. Take it out.
Oh, I'm not.
Are you dead? Mercy.
Where's my father?
He has left for. Has it been long?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright.
Okay, Mama, please.
You just have to follow your heartbeat. Love is not measured by class. I have found the one I want.
It's ringing.
I've been looking for love.
I know Father is not listening.
I finally find in love.
I don't think he kept
I
looking at
need
this
no
phone.
obstacles.
But I have to
This is the
search.
choice I've made.
Search.
I've been searching for love. I found someone that gladdens my heart. No obstacles. Or someone to tell me who to choose. Love is not measured by class. Just have to follow your heartbeat. Love is not measured by class. I have found the one I want.
I know he has that. I know. And I'm going to find out where the phone is.
I've been looking for love. I finally find in love. I need no obstacles. This is the choice I've made. Oh, I've been searching for love.
Ogene!
Huh?
Come on, please.
Don't have to. The gate?
My friend, open this gate. Are you come on, open this gate now.
Small madam, what's happened? You say your papa locked the whole place, carry key, come out. So you look at us, I go feel open am for you like this.
He did what?
He locked the 2 gates and carry key, waka.
Why?
I don't know now. If you ask me now, who I go ask?
Wait, you mean my father locked the gate and took the key with him?
Very clear. He locked the gates and took the keys.
Well,
Oga number is not connecting. Let it connect before his daughter leaves here now. She got a bad network with this one. Wait now. This network, She got a bad network with this.
The young man is in police net now, cooling off. Oh yes. But before then, I made sure I confiscated his phone. Switch it off. Ever since then, my daughter has been calling me, threatening hell and fire. Yes, that she will abscond the house.
What?
I switched off the phone and turned it on silent mode. Yes, I know how curious my daughter could be. So I hid it on my bedside drawer. Ever since then, she has been calling me.
Chief, from the point of law, that was wrong. Yeah. I mean, you trampled on his fundamental human rights. And if he's cool enough, he will claim charges.
Who cares? Oh yes, who cares? We're talking about my daughter. And look, she's the one calling now.
Pick the call.
Let me see. She has been calling ever since they disturbed her. Hello?
Dad, you think I won't find out? You think I'm dumb? I know that you see Steve's phone and you hid it in your office because it's not in this house. Father, why would you ask your gate man to lock the gate on me? I want to go out, the key is not here. Why did you have to take the key with you? Never mind. Never mind. Since you don't care about me, your plans is to frustrate me, it's fine. Before you come back, maybe I should have been dead by then.
Hello? Hello, Ella? Hello?
Madam.
Take my back inside.
No problem. We'll not die, you. Probably not take it, sir. Oh, madam, hey. Good night.
Barrister, please, I must leave. She's threatening to take her life. You must follow me, please.
No. Then we need to move immediately. That sounds desperate.
Hello? Messi. Please, rush to Ella's room now. Please. Make sure she is safe. Make sure she does not hurt herself. Please. Immediately. I'm on my way.
It's okay.
Where is my daughter?
She's in her room, sir.
She's in her room. And you are here. And I warned you to always be with her. Look, listen. Should anything happen to her, I will hold you responsible.
Father, why? Why would you hold her responsible for something that you brought upon yourself? You asked a maid to spy on me? You asked Mercy to monitor me, Father? What degree of pettiness?
My daughter...
You seized Steve's phone. And you had him locked up in a police cell. You didn't know I was going to find out. I know. And Father, as if that was not enough, you asked your gate man to lock the gates on me. Father, look. If that man spent another night in that police station, I swear to God, I swear by the gods, I swear to whatever thing that you believe in, I will end it.
Chief, can we talk inside the car?
It's all right.
Wait. Oga Pikin won't commit suicide because of electrician. I talk say na juju. But na juju in use they hold this girl. And na that juju. I won't do that juju, make I hold you too. Eh?
They bring.
Don't bring food. Now this your own food I want chop. I want to talk.
You see, Chief, when a child begins to threaten to kill his or herself before the parents over an issue, it should not be taken for granted. I would advise you sort this out once and for all.
Barrister, what do you suggest I do?
I release the electrician immediately.
We start all over to frolic with my daughter.
Better still, you can pay him off. Send him to a faraway place where you forget about your daughter.
You think is that easy? What about my daughter who is bone of contention in all this?
Chief, I would advise you send out of the country. Or better still, take her to a rehab where her brain will be re-examined. Because as it is, her brain is not functioning optimally.
This is exactly what I thought. The first time I complained that boy, that idiot is using juju on my daughter.
I don't want to believe he's using juju on your daughter, Chief. You see, young men of these days have this sugar-coated mouth. So I want to believe he has brainwashed your daughter with his sugar-coated mouth. That's all.
Listen, Barrister, that boy will never go scot-free. For having the effrontery to truncate all that I worked for, ruin my life, he will never go scot-free.
Chief, take it easy. Take it easy. You can handle this. It is not beyond you. Please.
Mercy! Mercy!
Sir!
Where is my daughter?
She has not come back.
By this time of the night? Oh my goodness. What's the meaning of all this? This girl will not kill me in this house. I have been trying her line and it's not going to. Let me try it again. Not reachable.
Sir, she will definitely come back.
Come back by this time? 11:30? This should do. This.
I think she's back.
Open that door. What's the meaning of this?
I went out, Father, for a friend's birthday party. Sorry I didn't inform you.
Maybe you should have informed me. Let this not repeat itself again. You know, you are the only one I have.
I need to rest. I had a long night.
Steve, Chief, do you know I like you so much?
Yes, sir.
Do you also know I have good intentions for you?
Yes, sir.
Why then do you choose to sleep around with my daughter?
Chief, I genuinely love your daughter. At first I was even resisting, but later I found out that she loves me in return. I have nothing bad against you nor your daughter, please. Please, forgive me if I wronged you.
And you feel the best thing is to be sleeping with her, messing her up.
The truth is, we're just in love. What happened between us happened naturally. Please, sir.
Well, the only way you can prove to me that you are truly sorry, you are remorseful of this is, I'll give you 20 million naira. Pay you off. You go to a very far, far away place.
Sorry, sir. My love is not for sale.
Father, what? You want to pay him off so he can leave me? Why do you want to pay him off? If you're paying him off, then you have to pay me too, because I'm going with him. I love him, can't you see? Just give us a chance.
Please, Chief. I promise to be a good husband. I will
Dada, I
cherish...
love him and he loves me.
Please.
Why are you making things hard for us?
Both of you, please. Excuse me.
Dad, I'm the only daughter. You can't compromise my happiness, please.
Please, just please, excuse me. Excuse me.
Steve, wait. Steve.
Barrister, I'm on my way to your office. Honestly, Barrister, I don't know what else to do again. These chaps have gone too far in this. You will not believe what my eyes saw today. See, my daughter and this young man, they have gone too far on this. It's about time I throw in the towel. Anyway, I allowed my daughter to have her way.
Chief, did you say throw in the towel? No. Chief, you are a man of honor and integrity, highly respected in the society. Please, do not make any decision that will bring shame and dishonor to the legacy you've laid. If you ask me, I would advise you make proper investigation about this young man.
I understand you, barrister. I do. How do as human? Even I'm planning to retire soon after their wedding and hand over everything to my daughter. Let me have my deserved rest.
Chief, isn't it too early for you to take such decision? You're so strong if you ask me.
Marissa, have you forgotten my daughter is so competent? She's an intelligent girl. So I'll hand over everything to you. Let me have my due rest.
Oh, well, if you say so. Break a leg. But please, I'll advise you to do proper investigation about this young man.
Who be that? Hey, Tisha. So when you come back today, I don't know you. Yes.
How can you ask me to come when your father is around?
Welcome.
How can you ask me to come when your father is around?
It's fine, just come inside.
No, this is risky. What's going on?
Just come, stop talking. Come, he's waiting.
Are you sure?
I'm gonna close the gate.
Oh, hey.
I talk am say, na juju oga electrician dey use. Because na juju go make am still carry mind come back to this place. I go do my own and I must catch somebody. I no wan know. I just find where I go do my own like this. My own juju. You go catch person. Hey! Son pass me on. I must do my juju and I go catch person. Go catch person.
Who are you talking with?
Eh? Hey, oga electrician in don land.
Where is he?
He dey inside. I tell you say na juju go make am get mind come back to this compound. You see me, I go do my own juju and I go catch person.
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about oga electrician o. Na for here oga pikin hug and kiss am.
See your phone.
I don tell you, I go do my own and he must catch person. Na because I tell you say I wan do juju for you, na why you throw away my phone. I don't understand you again. How for this girl dey cook? Eh? How ogene kwano?
Steve, do you truly love my daughter?
Yes. Yes, sir. I genuinely love your daughter so much.
The reason I will ask you this again is to ensure it's not my money you are after. You genuinely love her.
Far from that, sir. I'm not here for your money. I genuinely and sincerely love your daughter so much. Honestly speaking.
It's all right. Ella.
Yes, Dad.
Can you tell me reasons, just one reason you want to marry Steve?
Father, I believe that you've known him for a while, and you can see that he's really nice. He's calm, he's gentle, he's God-fearing. He's the kind of man I've always, pictured myself getting married to. He just fits the picture.
Considering the fact that It's not been long. You know him. Are you telling me it's enough time for you to know the character of the man, Steve?
Dad, I understand what you're saying, but you have to understand that people differ and of course characters. You can meet someone today and you end up marrying them the next day. You can still know someone for the rest of your life and never truly know who they are. But with Steve here, it's different. I just feel this peace. I just have this satisfaction when I'm with him. He's my man.
That's all right. You know, the reason I'm saying all this is not just that I'm skeptical about all you are saying, but there is this philosophy about the rich man and the poor man, the disparity, the wide gulf that exists between the two. Let me come down to the level you understand. Like in Lagos State, for instance, rich man is synonymous with Ikoyi, VI, Lekki, Banana Island. When you talk about poor man, you talk about Ajegunle, Surulere, Ajao. Oh, sorry, forgive my manners. It is very difficult for a rich man's daughter to blend with a poor man. I am not trying to demarcate you or insult you, but it's reality, it's a fact. Anyway, I will send you on a 6-month course on managerial tutorials so that you'll be able to streamline things with my daughter in my office.
Dad, you don't have to be mean. I mean, Steve here is very smart. He's smart. He understands business. He knows how to, you know, he has basics. I don't think he needs to go to any class to be able to talk to me or be around me.
Who? Who be that? Go back. I go to help you now. Wait, now where they go? I go to help you. Don't you know you?
I'm here to see Chief.
Chief. I know now, but I don't know you now. Who you be?
I am Chief's younger brother. Go tell him I'm here to see him.
Yeah. The only brother why I know say Chief get. Now one brother which Chief they always complain about. Saying they squander him money. See? Now you be that. Now you?
Yeah! Now voila. Are you alright? Come here! If I punch you now, are you okay? In front of my woman? Jesus! Brother! Brother! Brother!
Yeah! What's up? Now slap with that. See why I don't like this man. Look at this just way. Come Oga Pikin wedding. The fight over drink. Eh? Hi God. In my head, I want to hear again. This slap better. Ah! Eh, if you touch me, die your hand again. If die your hand, touch me again. I go show you say na me be the chief security officer for this place. No worry. Hi. Yeah.
Sweetheart, you can say that again. You see, my brother is a billionaire. A very giant capital B. And very soon, His entire house, his company, everything he owns become ours.
I'm tempted to be in a hurry, but you just take it easy.
You don't have to be in a hurry, baby. You know what? Step by step. No jumping. Chief. Greetings, sir.
Godwin.
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon, Chief.
Good afternoon. Sit down.
Thank you, Chief. Chief, you look tired. Are you sure you're okay?
I'm very fine. Just having a nap upstairs.
Your daughter, how is she and her husband doing?
They're fine. Just came back from honeymoon and they've resumed duties.
Chief, are you saying the husband now works in the company?
Of course, he works with me now. Who is she?
Chief, you have eyes. Chief, please pardon my manners. This is, her name is Regina, my fiancée. The woman I brought to you to introduce that I want to marry. Chief, I love her so much.
Greetings, Chief.
Okay, sir. Finally. Godwin, you've decided to come down. She's a fine girl. We've been pressurizing him for a long time now to get hooked up, but he has been dilly-dallying. Thank God he finally found you.
My pleasure.
It's all right, Godwin.
Yes, Chief.
Fix a date for your wedding and your traditional wedding, so take care of it.
Hey! Chief! Papaya!
Thank you, Chief.
Oh boy, close man! My brother is talking of you. Thank you so much, sir. Chief, I know my way to the bar. Let's have something to drink. My brother, I know what he likes. I'm coming.
Hey.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Steve. Yes, Chief. How are you coping with your new job?
Everything is going on well, sir.
I see. I got a good recommendation from one of my associates who introduced you, and he spoke so highly of you.
That's my husband.
Thank you very much, sir. Once again, thanks for giving me such a wonderful opportunity.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Sweetie,
What's that?
your uncle was here a few moments ago.
Oh.
And he came with a woman he introduced to me as his fiancée.
Wow. At last. He wants to marry?
Well, let's wait and see. And I told him to go fix a date. I will sponsor his wedding. Traditional wedding and white wedding.
Father, you're too kind. You're so kind. God will bless you for us, Father. Yeah, Father. Let me drink.
Sorry.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
Are you fine?
Sorry, sir.
Just take it easy, okay? Sorry. Godwin. Please wake up. I want us to talk.
You are still awake by this time. Regina, I want to sleep. Sleep.
Godwin, please.
No.
I want us to talk.
What do you want us to talk about now? I'm tired. I want to sleep. What is it?
I am bothered about something.
What are you bothered about?
You haven't said anything about your brother-in-law whom your brother just made the director of his company. Does it not bother you that it's going to be a hindrance when it's time for you to take over your brother's wealth?
That can never happen. It's not possible. Regina, you worry yourself too much. Okay? Now listen. My in-law doesn't have the right to partake in sharing of my brother's properties. It's not possible, okay? Once my brother dies, I'll move straight into his mansion. No, we will move straight into his mansion and I will take over his entire property.
Okay,
that includes
please.
the documents of his company.
Please, open your eyes. How are you going to achieve that if you don't start planning now?
Regina, what's your problem?
Look, Godwin, stop. You need to do something. You need to do something fast. Delay is dangerous.
What do we do?
No, I'm going to the office. Something cropped up, so I have to go and sort it out. Okay, want to see me? Then when I come back, I'll call you. Yes.
Sir, will you be back for you?
Not really. I have a lot to clear up in the office, so I won't be coming back.
Okay, sir.
Come. Take this. Buy whatever you need.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Ogene!
Sir, Oga.
Keep this also. Okay?
Obi.
Yes. Buy whatever that suits you. Open the gate for me, please.
Okay, now God will bless you.
Hello? I'm coming to the office right away. Yes, my daughter called and said that something came up. I'll be there in a jiffy. Who are you? Who? Ah!
Hello? Yes, this is Ella. Who is this? Jesus! My father was shot? How? Where? Where is he? Your hospital? What hospital, please? Just... Okay, fine. I'm coming now. I'm coming now. Jesus Christ. Hey, Jesus.
Listen. Wait now.
What is it?
Why you always dey difficult? Wetin happen? Oga and madam enter. And madam dey cry. Wetin dey happen? Wetin make her dey cry?
Again, wait though. I mean you dey ask. No be you dey pass for gate, come. They pass you for gate, come meet me here. Why you dey ask me now?
You know say you dey walk inside here. Me na gate. Nothing concern. Nobody
But
dey
they pass gate, they meet you for gate, enter house. Now you are go dey ask again, wetin happen? Why she dey cry? Wetin happen? What happened?
I know say you know wetin happen, but you just dey wicked.
Now you
come on to tell me wetin happen.
Wetin you want make I tell you now?
I no go ask you.
No dey disturb me for this house too.
I no go ask you anything.
Your craze dey too much for this.
I no go.
No
God. If I ask you anything again, man, make I bend.
Bend now.
If I ask you again, make I bend. See, I two left leg.
Jiva! Jim, you promised me! Oh, Dagwana! They have killed my mother! It will not be well with that man or woman that killed my brother! It's not go better for you! It's not go better for you! Maybe my brother is gone! What will do is mama's baby? Don't be tired, don't be tired, I want to die. Why did you go, Jim? Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Jim, why? Why? Who would take your life? Who would be able to take your life? Oh my God, I love you. Oh my God! Everyone! Jim, why? Jim, why?
Be careful who you give your trust. God. There are so many friendly enemies. They're lurking in the shadows, waiting for the right time to strike. Be careful who you make. There are so many friendly enemies.
Listen, you are looking at the next CEO of Mbadiwe Company Limited.
Say it again, Remy. God has done it for us.
Yes,
I told you to be patient.
Yes,
that it will happen.
Yes.
Yes, today. Nice.
Baby, you know what? Now that my brother is dead, I am walking straight to his mansion. I will throw Ella and her husband out of the house.
Baby,
yes.
you deserve it.
Yes, I do.
Legally, financially,
yes.
traditionally,
I'm telling you, I do.
regionally,
yes.
you deserve it. You deserve it. I am going to stand by you and help you fight for your right until the Oh, baby, sorry.
Sorry.
Sorry, baby.
Baby, you know what?
Take the anything.
Baby, you know what?
I never knew God loves me this much.
God loves you, baby.
I never knew you loved me so much.
God loves you, baby.
You know what? You are looking at the next billionaire in town.
Next?
Yes.
So you're the latest billionaire in town.
Yes.
Latest billionaire
Oh,
in
yes,
town.
yes.
I need you to start walking with your shoulders high.
I'm telling you.
Like this.
Now listen, Serena.
Raise them high.
I'm not only the next latest billionaire in town. I am the most sophisticated, outstanding, eligible billionaire in town. You know what? Anyone that talks anyhow, I will lock them up and throw the kids into the latrine.
I trust my baby. Baby, you know what? When you are walking on the streets, you're gonna be walking like this. As a billionaire,
yes.
You need to take your shoulders high.
Buga.
Raise them up. Wear some agbada. Pridefully.
You know what?
Wear the agbada.
Some people says, don't be entitled. They lie. I am entitled. I am entitled.
The first entitled man.
Yes.
Proudly entitled man in the whole world.
Raise my shoulder.
Raise your shoulder. What is your shoulder first? Some agbada.
Soon, I'll be done with you. I didn't know it would happen this fast. Once he takes over his brother's company and other things, I'll poison him and take over everything. I can't live with such a useless man as my husband. I'd been waiting for this all this while because of his brother's fortune. Now the time has come.
Esizi n'ọnwụ n'ego mmadụ. N'ego onye ọzọ.
Hey, listen. Don't put your mouth in this matter. You are just an in-law. You are not a member of this family.
How dare you speak to my husband in that tone? Have you lost your mind? What is wrong with him, babe? Paris, with all due respect, this meeting is over. Uncle, leave my father's house. Leave!
Are you asking me to leave?
Leave the house now!
Let me tell you. In our tradition, women don't take part in sharing parties, okay? Your father doesn't have a son. I am his only brother.
But he has a daughter, which is me, and I'm asking you to get out. Leave!
Are you talking to me?
Without enough of this is bullshit.
Listen, Barrister. My brother do not have a son. In our tradition, women don't protect in sharing properties. Listen, this entire estate, this entire properties, his company belongs to me by inheritance.
How will you take it? Who will give it to you?
Kedu ife ị na-esi n'ọnwụ n'ego onye ọzọ?
I don't understand.
Is it your money? Why are you?
I don't understand.